Hey everybody, Mindy from Quilting Mayhem. Welcome to Brown Bag 2026 Mystery. So this is our second year doing this. I know some of you are still new, don't even know what brown bag is, and I'm going to explain hopefully all of it for you. If you ever have any questions, you can go to our website, go to quiltingmayhem.com, or you can always email us at info@quiltingmayhem.com. And we'll gladly answer questions. So this is an exclusive thing that Karen Montgomery runs. She runs her 9 Patch a Day Facebook group where there's all kinds of information, tutorials. She does a lot of patterns. She's done a quilt shop, and now she runs this amazing brown bag mystery. So it is a mystery sew along. If you buy one of the brown bag mystery kits, which will come in, we got these fun bags. I can't show you the fabric, I'll get in trouble, but it's going to come in a fun bag. You'll get to see what like one main piece is going to be. Now this is not necessarily the background, it's just going to be one of the pieces in her sew along in the project. All right, so we're going to give you a sneak peek so you get an idea at least of kind of color range, what's in there. You'll get this year there is special limited edition tags. Sorry, it's backwards, but it just says Brown Bag Mystery 2026, so you can put it in your project kind of as a little memory keepsake with that project. And then by buying that kit with one of any of us affiliates, you get into her private brown bag group for the mystery sew along. So she has a regular Facebook group, and then she'll have this private group that is only people that have bought kits and bought into the program. Then what will happen is she will start releasing clues in March. So kits are going on sale January 30th. You start getting your clues on how to do the quilt and all that kind of stuff in March. So we got some lead time. She'll be doing different videos, tutorials on some of the rulers and things that she'll recommend. She also has a foundation paper piecing option for it this time, so you can do it either way with regular rulers, some of her specialty rulers, or foundation paper piecing. I like that it has all different kinds of options, so you're not stuck in any one way, because I love foundation paper piecing. I just think it makes things so much easier, so much more precise, so I'm excited for this one. There is a bonus project that if you buy the kit, you'll get that pattern for free. She'll release that in the group, all those kinds of things. And then we do mail out clues to you also. So if you're not a fan of Facebook, I gotcha. You do get mailed clues, or you can pick them up. If you're local to us, you can come by, pick up your clues, and get going on it. So don't worry, we got you covered all different directions. And so the sew along will run until May, and then you'll have the entire project. It'll be done, ready to go, which is super exciting. And of course you can buy more than one kit, more than one brown bag, because there's going to be 55 stores that are participating. So we're not the only ones, but hopefully you like what we have put together. We have been curating these kits quite carefully. We want to make sure that your quilts turn out beautiful. So we put a lot of effort into them, and you'll be able to see on our website or come in the store to see the bags and see kind of that focal print. Now, this project also has ombre options. So there is an ombre piece to it. Karen will talk about the ombre piece, and you can either choose to have an ombre or not to have an ombre. So we have kits for both. So we have quite a few ombre options, and then we're going to have some non-ombre options, just so you know. So if you don't want to deal with ombre and trying to make ombres go in certain directions, all those kinds of things, you can pick a non-ombre option. We do try to make sure that it is in the title of the bag. It'll say Brown Bag Mystery, and then it has the title. It'll say ombre in that title. So look for that keyword ombre if you want to stay away from it, or if you want to take an adventure, do something different, that will be in the title. All right. We also have finishing kits. So the quilt itself will be 60 by 60. If you want it larger, you can buy a finishing kit, and we will make sure that there is border, and then essentially an inner border piece and a binding piece of fabric in there to finish it up. The only thing not included in that, of course, is backing, but we will also have some suggested backing options for you. So you can buy a backing kit, a finishing kit, a brown bag kit, and then just be ready to go. Then all you need is your batting once you finish the sew along. All right. If you want it bigger than 60 by 60, buy 2 kits. And that will get you up to, I believe, a queen size. Karen will address that as to how big you can get. But that will be an option to also make it bigger. You just will want 2 kits to make sure that you can make that bigger quilt, and then you'll be ready to go. I'm excited for this one. This pattern, I love it. I think it's very cool. The bonus project, super excited for that one. I actually got to make a sample of it, so I will be featuring that later, and we will have kits for that bonus project in either pillow format. We will probably have a table runner option, and that also can be done either foundation paper pieced or regular pieced, with or without specialty rulers. She'll show you multiple ways to do things. And if you want to foundation paper piece the bonus project, if you do the regular size kit, the 60 by 60, you should have enough of papers to do the pillow option. So you won't have to buy additional papers if you want to do the pillow size of the bonus project. If you want to do any larger than that, you need to buy the papers. The papers are sold separately. They are not included in the kit because it is an option. Just like the rulers are sold separately, it's all optional. We do have a ruler bundle for you. So if you want the rulers that Karen recommends, because she's doing some different triangles, not just your normal half square triangles, some of that kind of stuff. So she does have some rulers she recommends that makes it easier, and it does. I've tried them. We do have it a bundle, so if you buy all the rulers, it is at a discounted rate. They're normally like $115 for all the rulers. We have them on sale for $99, so we have that as an option also. And she will have other projects to show you that use those rulers, so they're not just a one-trick pony. You can use them for other projects. All right, so jump in. It's going to be a lot of fun. If you want something different, something new to try, get you out of your box, maybe you're new and want to try some different techniques, I think this is the one. I am really, really excited for this. We're definitely gearing up to get everybody, hopefully, a kit that they get excited about. We have all kinds of options, from novelty prints, floral prints, geometric. We have designers. We have, like Allison Glass. We have some Juicy Juice, all different kinds of things, and even from some classic prints. And then even those of you that maybe just want all solids, we are going to have solids kits, and they start at $99. So trying to be even price conscious for some of you that maybe want to participate but can't buy all the things. So we're trying to help all you guys out. We want everybody to be excited and do this fun event for the year. And so, as I said, if you have questions, go to the website, go to quiltingmayhem.com, or email us, info@quiltingmayhem.com. Or, of course, if you're coming in the store, ask questions. We will do the best we can to answer them, and make sure that it's got everything that you need and you're ready to have a fun new adventure for 2026. This one is called the Two-Step Tango. So it's going to be a lot of fun, keep you on your toes, and definitely be a quilt worthwhile for the year. So I hope you guys have a lovely day. Keep on stitching.